Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Amelia Foster and I'm thrilled that you're here. If this is your first visit, this is the place where we dive deep into men's health, vitality, and the science of staying strong, confident, and energized at every age. Now let me start with something surprisingly simple. Chew this for 60 seconds to naturally improve your erection. It almost sounds too easy, doesn't it? But the truth is, certain natural foods can act like quick activators for blood flow, hormones, and energy when you use them the right way. Today, I'll show you how a small chewing ritual done once a day for just 1 minute can help men over 50 support firmer, more dependable erections. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to chew, why it works, and how to turn it into an effortless part of your daily routine for long-term vitality. Why chewing matters more than you think. When you chew, your body immediately wakes up several systems at once. Saliva is released, enzymes begin breaking down food on the spot, and nutrients become easier to absorb. At the same time, chewing activates your nervous system, sparking circulation and preparing your body for energy and alertness. For men over 50, this is especially important. Digestion often slows with age, and nutrient absorption weakens. That means even healthy foods may pass through without delivering their full benefits. By chewing thoroughly and choosing foods that directly support male performance, you can change that dynamic completely. Food number 1. Garlic, the natural circulation igniter. Let's start with one of nature's most underrated performance boosters, garlic. It may not sound glamorous, but it's incredibly potent for blood flow and vascular health. Garlic contains unique compounds, allicin and sulfur molecules, that only form when you crush, chop, or chew it. Once released, these compounds stimulate your blood vessels to produce nitric oxide, the same molecule your body uses to relax and widen arteries, allowing stronger blood flow into the penis. Without enough nitric oxide, erections become weaker or fade too quickly. But chew a small clove of raw garlic for 30 to 60 seconds, and those active compounds mix with saliva and start working almost immediately. They help thin the blood slightly, reduce high blood pressure, and keep your arteries flexible, sending more oxygen-rich blood exactly where you need it most. Over time, this simple act can lead to firmer, more reliable erections and improved stamina. Many men also notice a boost in overall energy and faster recovery after physical activity. Garlic is like a daily tonic for your circulatory system. And a healthy circulation is the foundation of male vitality. Worried about the strong taste? Try slicing the clove in half and letting it rest for a minute before chewing. That pause allows the allicin to fully activate. You can also mash it into warm water or blend it with honey to make it smoother while keeping its potency. 1 small clove a day is plenty. Consistency matters far more than quantity. Too much raw garlic can irritate your stomach, so think small but steady. Garlic also offers a side bonus. It supports prostate health by lowering inflammation and improving local blood flow. Men often notice fewer nighttime trips to the bathroom and an overall lighter, more energized feeling. So yes, chewing garlic for a minute may not sound appealing, but it's one of the simplest, most powerful things you can do for both performance and long-term health. Food number 2. Ginger, the natural circulation. Warmer. Next up is ginger, another root that's been valued for centuries. And modern science finally explains why. Fresh ginger is rich in antioxidants and compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and support healthy testosterone levels. When you chew ginger, you'll feel a natural warmth spreading through your body. That's your circulation kicking in. This warming effect increases oxygen delivery to the pelvic region and helps the body prepare for stronger, longer-lasting erections. I usually recommend cutting a thin slice of fresh ginger, about the size of your thumbnail, and chewing it slowly for around a minute. The juice combines with saliva and gets absorbed quickly, promoting energy, focus, and vitality. Ginger also helps digestion, eases bloating, and supports gut function, a huge plus for men over 50 who often experience sluggish digestion. When your stomach works better, your body has more energy left for everything else, including intimacy. Another hidden benefit is ginger's calming effect on the nervous system. It helps lower stress hormones and quiet racing thoughts, making it easier to stay relaxed and confident in the moment. And since stress is one of the biggest causes of performance issues, that calm focus can make a remarkable difference. Food number 3, walnuts, the testosterone builder. Now, let's talk about walnuts. One of my top recommendations for natural testosterone and circulation support. Walnuts are rich in arginine, an amino acid your body uses to produce nitric oxide, the same compound boosted by garlic. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, essential building blocks for testosterone production. Remember, your body makes testosterone from cholesterol. Without the right healthy fats, it struggles to maintain optimal hormone levels. Chewing walnuts thoroughly releases their natural oils, making them easier for your body to absorb. When you eat slowly, 2 things happen. You break the nuts down more completely, and you give your system time to digest and assimilate the nutrients efficiently. That mindful pace means you're actually getting the benefits instead of letting them pass through unused. 1 or 2 small handfuls of walnuts each day is enough to strengthen circulation, balance hormones, and support steady energy. Over time, many men notice stronger morning erections, better stamina, and improved mental clarity. Plus, walnuts support your heart, brain, and overall inflammation response, making them a true longevity food. How to put it all together. So how do you start? Keep it simple. Choose just one of these foods, garlic, ginger, or walnuts, and chew it slowly for about a minute each day, preferably after a meal or in the evening. You don't need to do all 3 at once. Small, consistent habits are what create real transformation. A quick word of caution: more isn't always better. Too much garlic or ginger can irritate your stomach or cause discomfort. Start small, listen to your body, and stay consistent. Also, pair these foods with smart habits. Avoid heavy alcohol or late-night overeating, which can block many of the benefits by dehydrating the body or slowing digestion. Your body produces testosterone and repairs blood vessels during deep sleep, so keeping evenings light and balanced makes every chew count even more. The takeaway: you don't need pills, chemicals, or quick fixes to feel youthful again. By chewing a small piece of garlic, a slice of ginger, or a handful of walnuts for 60 seconds daily, you can naturally awaken your circulation, restore testosterone balance, and rebuild confidence in your performance. The secret lies in the ritual. Those small daily acts remind your body how to function the way it was designed to, naturally, efficiently, and powerfully. And here's the best part. The same foods that enhance erections also strengthen your heart, sharpen focus, stabilize energy, and support longevity. When you feel that change, firmer mornings, steadier energy, fewer worries, you'll realize just how powerful nature's simplest tools can be. So here's my challenge to you. Starting tonight, pick one of these foods and chew it slowly for 60 seconds. Do it every day for a few weeks and watch what happens. You may be amazed by how much stronger, lighter, and more alive you feel. I'm Dr. Amelia Foster, and I want to remind you, your best years aren't behind you. With the right daily habits, you can keep your body strong, your hormones balanced, and your mornings full of life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more science-based, natural tips to keep your health and confidence thriving after 50. Your body knows what to do. You just have to give it the right tools.